Welcome to Mathtartic with a new math question. In this problem, a line is given and the intersection of this line with y-axis is given as 0.3 and the intersection with x-axis is given as 0.4. This angle is also given as alpha. The question asks to find the value of tangent of pi over 2 minus alpha. Before we dive into the solution, please feel free to pause the video, think about the solution, be creative, subscribe to my channel, solve the problem, and come back to watch the rest of the video. Let's start the solution. I'm going to solve this question in two different ways. One is a longer format and the other one is a shorter solution. Let's see the first solution. The angle that we have here is pi minus alpha. Next, we simplify this term. So we know that tangent of an angle is equal to sine of angle divided by cosine of that angle. Therefore, tangent pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to sine of pi over 2 minus alpha divided by cosine pi over 2 minus alpha. There are some trigonometric relations related to pi over 2 minus degree, which I'm going to use in this solution. And if you replace those, we know that sine of pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to cosine alpha, and cosine of pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to sine alpha. So if you replace these, tangent pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to cosine alpha divided by sine alpha. We can't do anything for angle alpha, but we have a right triangle here for which we can use and apply trigonometric relations. One hint that we can use is that cosine of pi minus alpha is equal to minus cosine alpha, and sine of pi minus alpha is equal to sine alpha. So these are two relations that I use, and I can technically replace this term with minus cosine pi minus alpha sine pi minus alpha. Now this term is obtained in terms of this angle, and we know that cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse and sine is opposite to hypotenuse. So if we replace these, basically we will have minus adjacent, which is 4, divided by opposite, which is 3. So this is the answer from solution 1. Let's move on to the second solution. I'm going to use another color for that solution. From the figure, we can see that alpha can be decomposed into a right angle and one additional angle, which we call it as x. So I can do this here, and this side is right angle and this side is x. So alpha is equal to 90 degrees, which is pi over 2 plus x. Therefore, minus x is equal to pi over 2 minus alpha. And if we replace this into our equation, we have tangent pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to tangent minus x. We know that tangent minus x is equal to minus tangent x. Now, if we find the value of tangent x, we have the final solution. In order to find the value of tangent x, I'm gonna draw a altitude from this point to this line, and I have another right triangle here for which I can obtain tangent, and from the trigonometric relations we know that tangent is equal to opposite to adjacent. Opposite of this angle is this length, which is again 4, and adjacent is this length, which is 3. So tangent x is 4 over 3, and tangent pi over 2 minus x is minus 4 over 3. Yeah, this is the second solution that we found. I believe there are other ways to solve this problem too, so if you come up with a new solution, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.